Good afternoon, guys. Again, this is my anonymous tree into my garden, and I was thinking about trimming this kind of tree, but I keep forgetting because of because I was busy, always doing something for myself, and this is what it looked like. But again, it's still really looking beautiful, this tree, and I always love this kind of tree as well that I had here into the backyard of my garden. And I think it's really beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, I would never get rid of this kind of anonymous tree into the backyard of my garden because I guess this is really beautiful looking. And as if you looking it close up, the leaves is kind of really lime green, variegated lime green. Look at that. But it's a really beautiful color as well, and I love it. Yeah, very beautiful. It's part of hardy plants because I didn't do anything to look after to it. I just leave it. I just leave it, but it just seems to me like it growing on its own and produce lots of flowers during summertime. The flowers is beautiful white color, but it was pretty tiny flowers. But they produce flowers on this during the summertime anyway. But it's really gorgeous and beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, I always love this kind of tree that I had. Down the bottom underneath, I haven't done anything yet because of the weather is turning to be very cold again. I can't do anything much about it because my hand is getting frozen. But after maybe springtime, during springtime or summertime, yeah, I do lots of work in here underneath of this tree and in the back and into my garden backyard as well. I don't mind doing that really. But this tree is beautiful, gorgeous. Look at that. I love it. Anyway, I got to go now, and hoping to see you guys for my next rounds again. Hope you like it. See you. Bye for now. Bye.